Most people believe that changing their financial life takes years. They believe that becoming financially stable requires a high-paying job, a wealthy family, or extraordinary luck. Because of this belief, millions of people wake up every morning feeling trapped by their financial situation. They look at their bank account and feel discouraged. They look at their bills and feel stressed. They look at successful people online and feel left behind. But what if that belief is completely wrong? What if your financial situation could begin changing much faster than you think? What if the next 30 days could become the turning point that changes the direction of your money, your habits, your confidence, and even your future? This is not a promise that you will become a millionaire in 1 month. This is not one of those unrealistic stories that claim you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight. Real financial improvement does not work that way. However, something powerful can happen in just 1 month. You can build momentum. You can eliminate destructive habits. You can gain control over your spending. You can create a system that helps you save more money. You can start earning extra income. You can stop living blindly and start making intentional financial decisions. And when those changes happen, your entire future begins to look different. Many people underestimate what can happen in 30 days because they overestimate what can happen in 1 day. People often wake up feeling motivated and expect immediate results. When those results do not appear quickly, they become frustrated. Then they quit. The problem is not that they lack intelligence. The problem is that they misunderstand how change works. Real change is rarely dramatic at the beginning. It is usually small. It is usually boring. It is usually invisible. But when repeated consistently, those small actions become powerful. Think about a plane taking off from an airport. If the pilot changes the direction by only a few degrees, the difference seems insignificant at first. Yet after several hours, that small adjustment leads to a completely different destination. Your finances work the same way. A small improvement today can create a completely different financial future. The first thing you must understand is that financial change begins with awareness. Most people do not have a money problem. They have an awareness problem. They do not know where their money goes. They do not know how much they spend every month. They do not know which habits are helping them and which habits are hurting them. Imagine trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat every day. It would be extremely difficult. The same principle applies to money. You cannot improve what you do not measure. That is why the first step during this month is brutally simple. Track every dollar. Track every franc. Track every purchase. Track every expense. Track everything. Many people resist this step because it feels unnecessary. But the truth is that awareness creates control. When you begin tracking your spending, something interesting happens. You start noticing patterns. You start noticing emotional spending. You start noticing subscriptions you forgot about. You start noticing purchases that bring little value. You start noticing opportunities to save money without feeling deprived. For the first few days, do not judge yourself. Do not feel guilty. Do not feel ashamed. Simply observe. Become a student of your own behavior. Treat the process like an experiment. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is understanding. Once you understand where your money goes, you gain power. And power creates options. The second step is creating a financial emergency buffer. One reason people struggle financially is because life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses appear without warning. A car breaks down. A phone stops working. A medical bill arrives. A family emergency happens. When people have no savings, every surprise becomes a crisis, and crises are expensive. This month, focus on building even a small emergency fund. Do not worry about saving a huge amount immediately. The amount matters less than the habit. Even a small emergency fund changes your mindset. Instead of feeling helpless, you begin feeling prepared. Instead of reacting emotionally, you start responding strategically. Financial peace often begins with a simple realization. You are no longer one unexpected expense away from panic. The third step is eliminating financial leaks. Every boat has leaks. Every budget has leaks. The problem is that most people never search for them. They work harder. They try to earn more. They try to solve money problems with bigger incomes. Yet money continues disappearing. Before increasing income, identify the leaks. Look carefully at your expenses. Ask yourself a simple question. Does this expense improve my life enough to justify its cost? If the answer is no, consider removing it. Small leaks become large losses over time. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, month after month. Year after year, the amount becomes significant. The goal is not becoming cheap. The goal is becoming intentional. There is a difference between spending money and wasting money. Intentional spending increases happiness. Mindless spending reduces wealth. The fourth step is changing your relationship with delayed gratification. This is one of the most important financial skills you will ever develop. Modern society encourages instant pleasure. Buy now, pay later. Order immediately. Get everything today. Unfortunately, this mindset creates financial weakness. Financial success often belongs to people who can delay gratification. They are willing to sacrifice a small pleasure today for a bigger reward tomorrow. They understand that every financial decision involves a trade-off. Every purchase represents something else you cannot do with that money. Every dollar spent has an opportunity cost. When you begin thinking this way, your decisions improve naturally. You stop asking whether you can afford something. You start asking whether it is worth sacrificing future opportunities. That simple shift changes everything. By the end of the first week, many people already notice a difference. Not because they suddenly became rich, not because their income doubled, but because they finally feel aware. They finally feel in control. And control is where financial transformation begins. Most financial success stories do not start with a winning lottery ticket. They start with awareness. They start with discipline. They start with responsibility. They start with small daily actions repeated consistently. The good news is that anyone can begin. You do not need a perfect background. You do not need special connections. You do not need extraordinary talent. You simply need the willingness to start. And if you are willing to start today, the next 30 days could become the most important financial month of your life. Because 1 month of focused action can create habits that last for years. 1 month of discipline can create confidence that changes your decisions forever. 1 month of learning can save you from years of financial mistakes. And this is only the beginning. As the second week begins, something important starts to happen. You begin seeing money differently. You stop seeing it as something that randomly comes and goes. You start seeing it as a tool. And once money becomes a tool instead of a mystery, your decisions become more powerful. Many people spend years trying to solve financial problems without ever increasing their income. Saving money is important. Budgeting is important. Avoiding waste is important. But there is a limit to how much you can cut. There is no limit to how much value you can create. That is why the next stage of financial transformation focuses on income growth. The idea of earning more money often sounds difficult. Many people immediately think they need another degree. They think they need years of experience. They think they need special connections. They think opportunities only exist for other people. But that belief prevents them from seeing possibilities that are already around them. The modern world offers more opportunities than any generation in history. Skills can be learned online. Services can be offered remotely. Products can be sold globally. Content can be created from a smartphone. Knowledge can become income. Experience can become value. The biggest challenge is not opportunity. The biggest challenge is believing that you can participate. Most successful people did not start because they felt ready. They started because they were willing to learn. They accepted that their first attempts would not be perfect. They understood that action creates clarity. Waiting creates uncertainty. Think about how many people spend months planning. They watch videos. They read articles. They consume endless information, yet they never begin. They remain exactly where they started. Knowledge becomes useful only when it is applied. Action creates results. Results create confidence. Confidence creates momentum. Momentum changes lives. If you want your finances to improve, start looking at your skills. Ask yourself what you know. Ask yourself what you can do. Ask yourself what problems you can solve. The marketplace rewards people who solve problems. Every business exists because it solves a problem. Every profession exists because it solves a problem. Every source of income exists because it creates value for someone else. The more value you create, the more opportunities become available. You do not need to solve massive problems immediately. Start small. A small service can create income. A small skill can create income. A small opportunity can create income. And income creates options. One mistake many people make is believing that side income must begin at a large scale. That belief stops them from starting. The truth is that many successful businesses began with very little. A single customer, a single client, a single sale, a single project. Every large success was once small. Every expert was once a beginner. Every profitable business was once an idea. Never underestimate small beginnings. The next lesson involves your environment. Financial habits are influenced by the people around you. Human beings naturally imitate behavior. We copy attitudes. We copy expectations. We copy beliefs. If everyone around you constantly complains about money while making poor financial decisions, those behaviors begin feeling normal. If everyone around you spends impulsively, impulsive spending becomes easier. If everyone around you avoids responsibility, responsibility becomes harder. This does not mean abandoning friends or family. It means becoming intentional about influence. Listen to people who manage money wisely. Study successful financial habits. Learn from people who have achieved what you want to achieve. The information you consume shapes your future. The conversations you have shape your mindset. The mindset you develop shapes your decisions, and decisions shape your life. Another important principle is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Many people work hard for money. Then they immediately spend that money on things that lose value. This cycle repeats endlessly. Income arrives. Money disappears. Nothing remains. Financial growth requires a different approach. Whenever possible, direct part of your income toward things that can grow in value, generate income, or increase future opportunities. The goal is not to look wealthy. The goal is to become financially stronger. There is a major difference between appearing rich and building wealth. Many people spend years trying to impress strangers. They buy things they cannot afford. They accumulate debt. They create financial stress, all for temporary approval. Real wealth is often quiet. Real wealth focuses on freedom. Freedom to make choices. Freedom to handle emergencies. Freedom to pursue opportunities. Freedom to help others. Freedom to live without constant financial anxiety. One of the most powerful financial habits is patience. Modern culture celebrates speed. Everyone wants instant results. Everyone wants overnight success. Everyone wants immediate rewards. But wealth usually grows slowly. Financial stability usually grows slowly. Skills usually grow slowly. Businesses usually grow slowly. Investments usually grow slowly. Patience is not weakness. Patience is strength. Patience allows you to continue when others quit. Patience allows you to stay focused when results seem invisible. Patience allows small improvements to compound into massive outcomes. The third week of your transformation should focus heavily on learning. The most valuable investment is often the investment you make in yourself. Skills increase earning potential. Knowledge improves decision-making. Experience builds confidence. Growth creates opportunities. Spend time learning something useful. Read books. Listen to educational content. Study communication. Study sales. Study leadership. Study marketing. Study technology. Study personal finance. Every skill you develop becomes an asset that nobody can take away from you. Money can be lost. Jobs can disappear. Markets can change. But valuable skills remain with you. And valuable skills create opportunities repeatedly. Another critical lesson is avoiding comparison. Comparison destroys financial confidence. Someone will always earn more. Someone will always own more. Someone will always appear more successful. If your happiness depends on outperforming everyone else, you will never feel satisfied. Focus on your progress. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Measure growth against your own past. Celebrate improvements. Recognize progress. Stay committed to the journey. Financial success is not a race against other people. It is a process of becoming a better version of yourself. As the final week approaches, reflect on how much has already changed. Perhaps your income has not doubled. Perhaps your bank account is not overflowing. But something more important has happened. You have become aware. You have become intentional. You have become disciplined. You have become proactive. Those qualities are the foundation of every lasting financial transformation. Most people spend years waiting for the perfect moment. They wait for a better economy. They wait for a better job. They wait for more confidence. They wait for more certainty. But the perfect moment rarely arrives. Progress belongs to people who begin before they feel ready. Progress belongs to people who take responsibility. Progress belongs to people who continue moving forward despite uncertainty. At the end of 30 days, you may not recognize the full impact of your efforts. Many changes happen beneath the surface. New habits are forming. New beliefs are developing. New opportunities are appearing. New levels of confidence are emerging. Those invisible changes eventually become visible results. Never underestimate the power of consistent action. Never underestimate the power of daily discipline. Never underestimate the power of small improvements repeated over time. A single month can change your direction. A new direction can change your future. And a changed future can transform your entire life. The journey toward financial freedom does not begin when you become rich. It begins when you decide to take control. It begins when you stop making excuses. It begins when you stop waiting. It begins when you start acting. The best time to change your finances was yesterday. The second best time is today. And if you commit to the lessons you have learned, this month may become the moment you look back on years from now and say that everything started to change right here.